there, welcome to the video. Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisyah Nureena from 3JF. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Korean sweet pancake or known as hotteok. The ingredients are a cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 2 cups of flour, cheese, you can use any type of cheese, sugar, and salt. This is Himalayan pink salt, you can use any types of salt. First, pour in a cup of warm water into the mixing bowl. Then, let's add 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 pinches of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now, take our magic spatula and mix it well. Oh, the yeast looks so tired. Let it sit in one place for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the yeast has bloomed. Now add 2 cups of flour to the mixture. You can also use all-purpose flour. Stir it until just combined. For your information, hotteok is a type of filled Korean pancake. It is a popular street food in South Korea. If the dough is too hard, you can add a little bit of water. After finish mixing, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rise in one place for 1 hour until nearly double its size. Now, take a medium-sized bowl and add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix it well. Usually in traditional hotteok, they put in chopped peanuts. After 1 hour, remove the plastic wrap from the dough. Stir well, then turn out onto a clean surface. Remember to sprinkle a bit of flour onto the surface or kneading board. Leave a bit of flour nearby to use as need, but try not to incorporate too much. Knead the dough for at least 5 minutes. Adding more flour as necessary until the dough just loses its stickiness. Shape the dough so that you can easily cut it into 6 to 7 pieces. Let's fill it up. You can put more filling if you love to. Slowly pull the dough to cover it and make a round shape. Today, there are many types of hotteok. Some of them, they put banana and Nutella as the filling. Let's put some cheese. Repeat the same steps until your dough finished. Pour some oil. Make sure that your pan is hot enough before putting the dough in. Please be careful. Now press the dough using your spatula. Fry it until they are golden brown. Wow, it's done! Bye!